children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about measurement of weight. So let's start with that. In class 1, you have studied how to separate heavy and light objects. Okay. Now activity 1. Take a piece of chalk in one hand and a stone in the other hand. Which of the two is easier to lift? कौन सा easy है आपको उठाने में? Clearly the chalk piece. Okay. So the chalk piece is light while the stone is heavy. Heavy items are said to have more weight. Light items have less weight. The property of an object which tells us how heavy it is called weight. Okay, I hope you understood. So now move on. Texting time 12.1. Look at the following figures. Observe the positions of the pans and write which one of the two objects is heavier. So here it is given watermelon and one is cabbages. So we clearly can see that watermelon is heavier क्योंकि वो टिल्ट हो रखा है ना, और जो भारी होता है ऑब्जेक्ट्स वही हमारा डाउन साइड आता है. So watermelon is heavier. So write it watermelon over here. So water and melon clearly. Similarly, second में कौन सा है? Cauliflower. So cauliflower is heavier. So write it cauliflower here. And here it is papaya. Okay, so it's very easy. Do it yourself. Now measuring weights. We purchase fruits, vegetables, sugar, rice, etc. by weights. We weight them in kilograms and grams. In short, we denote kilogram by kg and gram by g. This is how we just write it, kg and gram. Okay, I hope you understood. So now next. The weights are shown below. ये सब weights दे रखे हैं बेटा. कौन कौन से weights हैं? सबसे पहले हमारा 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500. So these are called weights. Okay, so just do practice. Objects are weighted in a balance. A balance has two pans. Balance ये है, इसके two pans होते हैं. Okay. In one pan we put the objects to be weighted. Okay. In the other pan we go on putting weights till the two parts are in the same level. These total weights then show the weight of the objects. Okay. So 1 kg is equal to, yes, you're right, 1000 gram. Just remember this term. Okay. Don't forget it. So now move on. Texting times 12.2. Filling the placeholders with less than or more than or equal to as the case may be. So the weight of sweets is more than, less than or equal to 2 kilograms. So आपको बताना है जो sweets का जो weight है ये ज़्यादा है कि कम है. We can see that it's easily ये हमारा है less than. Why less than? Because ये हमारा ऊपर की तरफ है. So write it like that, less than. Less than. Okay. Similarly, the weight of apples is more or than? Yes, it's more. Okay. So fill it yourselves, beta. Now move on. Additions and subtractions of weights. Additions of weights. To add 2 or more weights in grams or kilograms, we simply add the numbers and put down the unit. How it is? 36 kg with 48 kg. So start with 1 space and then go with 10 space. Similarly, second example, third example, just read and do practice, beta. Okay. So now move on next one, which is subtractions of weights. To subtract given weights, we simply subtract the numbers and put down the units. Here it is given 65 kg minus 37 kg is equal to 28 kg. Similarly, next example, just read and practice well. In the given weights are in combined units, we arrange them in 2 columns of kg and gram and then add and subtract them separately. Just like add 6 kg 395 gram and 15 kg 545 gram, just like this. So we just put it, kg, kg, kg को हम kg के साथ प्लस करेंगे, then gram को ग्राम के साथ हम ऐड करेंगे. सो वी जस्ट गेट इट. सो द सम इज 21 kg 940 gram. Okay. Similarly, subtract 242 kg 375 gram from 418 kg 500 gram. So सबसे पहले अरेंज ऑल द वैल्यू. ओके, केजी को केजी के साथ माइनस, देन ग्राम की वैल्यू को ग्राम के साथ माइनस. सो राइट इट 418 500 ग्राम माइनस 242 375 ग्राम. So the difference is 176 kg and 125 gram. This is how we just add and subtract the gram and kg value. Okay, I hope you understood well. So now move on, texting time 12.3. Add 65 kg 28 gram. So start with ones place. So 8 और 5 कितने होते हैं? Yes, 13. 13 का 3. Carry 1. 6 or 2, 8 and 9. So 93 kg. This is simply addition. Now move on, subtract. 71 kg, 39 kg. So 9 में से 9 can't be subtract from 1. Then 1 will take 1 borrow from 7 tens. Now it become 11. So write it 11 like this. And here it remains 6. So 11 में से 9 गया, कितने होते हैं? 9 के बाद 10, 11. So 2 and 6 में से 3 गया 3. So write it 32 over here. But 32 क्या? kg. Don't forget the write kg or whether it's another unit. Okay. So this is simple subtractions. I hope you understood well. So now move on, word problems. A coolie carries 2 boxes. Okay. One box weight is 28 kg. Another box weight is 119 kg. How much weight does the coolie carry? One is 28. So write it 28 kg. So write it kg. And next is 119. So write it 119 kg. Now add both the value together. So 8 or 9, 17. Carry 1. 2, 3 and 4 and 1 ka 1. So 147 kg. The coolie weight. Okay, carry. I hope you understood well. So these are the other examples. You have to fill it your own beta. Okay. I hope you understood well. So with this we ended the chapter. Just do practice well.